HILARYDUFFs, today's video, guys, as if it wasn't obvious by the title already, is a Hilary Duff inspired hair and makeup look. Guys, I love Hilary Duff. I adore her. I was always obsessed with her as a kid, and I'm 26 and that didn't change because you guys know how I feel about the old days and like the old chills and everything, and Lizzie McGuire and Hilary Duff is just iconic and she always will be to me, guys, and I just had to do this makeup look because I just love her makeup. It's so cute and she's so like boho chic and I just love her style so much, so I had to recreate it, guys. By the way, I was also sent this hair straightener and it's by Berta and it's off of Amazon, and guys, they gave me a code for you guys to get 30% off your very own. Yes, this was sent to me for free for review for you guys, and I was not paid to say anything in this video as usual, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, and I want to say I give this a A+. Like, this is like a big thumbs up because I have very thick curly hair and look what it did. I didn't even have to go over it so many times. I did like half on camera, half off, and then I like finished off my bangs on camera to show you guys. And I love the way that my hair feels, guys. It's so soft and this didn't do any damage to my hair, and I have had color in my hair for a long time now, and it is always hard to find a really good flat iron, but I definitely give this one a big thumbs up. I will have the link in the description box if you guys want to purchase it, and once again, you guys will get 30% off if you use code BERTAIRON for 30% off, like I said already, on Amazon. So guys, let me cut all this chit chat now and let's get right into this video. First, I'm going in with my Morphe eyeshadow primer. I am now going in with my Morphe Such a Gem palette, and I'm going to use the color Fame Game for my crease. I am now going to be taking the same palette and I'm going to be using that shade Catch the Light for my lids because Hilary always has that nice shimmery eyeshadow and I just adore that look. I am now going to be taking my B8 Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette and fill in those brows, but before I do that, I'm going to comb them out with a spoolie. Next, I'm going in with my Buxom Mascara, but first we're going to curl those lashes. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with my Essence Long-Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Black Fever. Alright guys, and next I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to put that all over my face. I opted out of foundation for this look, I just wanted to go with some powder. Next, I'm going in with my Too Faced Contour / Highlight Duo, and I'm going to contour those cheeks, my forehead, and under my chin. Next, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Crown of my Canopy. And now for the blush, Hilary kind of goes ham on the blush and I just totally live for that. So I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Baked Blush in the shade Dare to Soar. And for the lips, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Spoiler Alert. I am now going in with my Berta flat iron to straighten my hair. The size of this iron is 1 inch. It even has a Velcro strap to wrap up your wire. How cool is that, guys? It has ceramic tourmaline plates and an LCD display to adjust the temperature. And guys, with my code BERTAIRON, you guys get 30% off. I'll have the link in my bio. Guys, honestly, my first impression of this iron is that I kind of love it because it doesn't tug your hair and it straightened it pretty well, and that's kind of hard to find with some flat irons, but like I said, my first impressions are pretty darn good with this. Look at that difference, guys. Alright, my babies, and here is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that I did a good job? Keep in mind this was inspired and the skin tones are different, so the makeup will look different, but I just absolutely adore how this came out. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And guys, as per usual, if you recreate this look, please tag me in photos on my Instagram, my Snapchat, or you can just snap it to me. Tag me on Twitter and Facebook. I'm on all of those outlets. And guys, do not forget to use code Berta Iron to save 30% off of this amazing flat iron, because I'm really loving my hair. It's very silky and smooth. And yeah, it's just really cute. So, with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And